Hello guys, welcome to CRAFTY FIT. Today we're gonna make DIY scratch card. These are the materials needed. Take out a thick sheet. You can also prepare it on a normal paper, but it is not recommendable as it gets torn while scratching. I made some spiral holes. You can also make scratch art notebook with it and save your table from getting messy. Now let's prepare the paint. Add a little amount of liquid soap and black paint. There is no ratio for mixing the paint. I use tempera colors as it dries quicker than any other paint. You can use any other color you wish to. Mix them completely. Now tape the corners to get a neat finish. Here I'm using oil pastels to color the base. Color it according to your work or wish. You can also use acrylic paints, but watercolors are not recommendable. You can use all the bright colors to get a nice look. And yeah guys, there is a free giveaway once I reach 1000 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe and be one among them. Back to work. Paint the colored base with black paint that we have prepared earlier. Brush it evenly. We will be giving 2 coats as one coating is not enough. The base color will be little transparent after first coat. Once it is dried, give a second paint coat onto it. Once the second coating is completely dried, take out all the tapes. Now a DIY scratch card is ready to be tested, guys. Take a toothpick or any other sharp material to scratch. Look at the colorful writings. I'm really sorry guys, my calligraphy is not that good, but I'm still practicing and learning it. It always seems impossible until it's done. One of my favorite quotes. Now let's decorate it. And I made little hearts and all the music symbols there because I love music. And now let's place it onto my wardrobe. And these are the fridge magnets which I have made in the previous video. I've given it in the iCard. Please do check it if you are interested. It is simple and easy to make. Look at all those cute fridge magnets which I've made. They're also waterproof. Guys, thank you for watching this video and support us for more crazy DIY projects only at CRAFTY FIT. Happy crafting!